I used an AI fitness coach for 30 days. This is what happened. I wanted to learn how this works, so I used it every day for a month, and I have some results that you want to miss. The app I'm talking about is Future by Verve. This company makes smart home gym equipment, but they also have this app that can be used without their equipment, and it uses AI to do 3 things. 1. It will analyze your movement in real time and then correct your form. 2. It will build you a custom workout plan based on your goals and your schedule. And 3. It will keep you accountable and actually get you excited to work out every single day. Now, I've tried a lot of fitness apps. Some have been great, others not so much. But the combination of these 3 features really stood out to me, and I couldn't wait to try it. After downloading the app, the first thing you'll notice is the sleek user interface. It's visually appealing and easy to navigate. Getting started is simple. You just answer a few questions about yourself, like your age, weight, height, and what your goals are. Then you take a quick assessment by squatting down and standing up a few times. The app analyzes your squat form and identifies your muscle imbalances. Now, this was very accurate. My left leg is slightly shorter than my right leg, and the app picked that up immediately. It gave me a 3D printed model of myself and showed me my imbalances right away. Next, the app asks you to choose a workout time, and this is where accountability comes into play. If you choose a workout time, the app will send you reminders and encourage you to stick to your workout schedule. And if you actually complete your workouts, you'll earn points and level up, which unlocks new features and content. Now, I found this gamification aspect to be incredibly effective because it turns working out into a fun challenge. It's almost like leveling up a character in a video game. The app will also recommend a workout time based on your preferences and schedule. It takes into account when you're most likely to be available, and it suggests a time that fits your lifestyle. However, you can always change or cancel the appointment. If something comes up, you can reschedule it in just a couple of seconds. Before we talk about the workout plans, let's take a look at the feature that lets the AI analyze your form. The feature is called Form Check, and it works with both the Verve equipment and your phone's camera. Now, I tested this feature by doing squats with the Verve bar, and I have to say, it's incredibly accurate. The bar has sensors built in that track your movements, and the app uses computer vision and machine learning to analyze your form in real time. When you're done, the app gives you a score from 1 to 10, and it shows you how well you did with your squat. It also offers suggestions on how to improve your form if needed. Now, what's really cool is that this feature works without the bar too. You can use your phone's camera to analyze your form during exercises like push-ups, rows, and lunges. The app uses the camera to track your body's movement and provides feedback on your form, just like it does with the bar. This way you can make sure you re-exercising correctly, even when you're not using the Verve equipment. Now, if you're wondering why this is important, let me tell you a little story. A few years ago, I hurt my back really badly, and it took me months to recover. One of the reasons why I think this happened was because I was doing exercises with bad form. When you have bad form, you put unnecessary stress on your joints and muscles, which can lead to injuries. But with the Form Check feature, you can avoid this by getting instant feedback on your form and making adjustments as needed. I'm telling you, this feature alone is worth the price of the app. Alright, now let's talk about the workout plans. The app offers 2 types of workout plans, guided and skills-based. Guided workouts are designed to help you achieve your fitness goals, such as building muscle strength or burning fat. They include a warm-up, the main workout, and a cool-down, and they range from 10 to 60 minutes. Skills-based workouts focus on teaching you proper form and technique for specific exercises. These workouts are a great option if you're new to the gym, or if you want to brush up on your form. Now, the app personalizes your workout plan based on your goals, preferences, and schedule, so your plan will be unique to you. For example, if you want to lose weight, the app will build a plan that includes cardio and strength training exercises that burn calories. If you prefer strength training, the app will create a plan that focuses on building muscle mass. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The app uses an algorithm to adjust your workout plan over time. So as you get stronger, the workouts will become more challenging. This keeps your body from adapting to the workouts, and it helps you continue making progress towards your goals. The app also provides detailed instructions for each exercise, including a demonstration video. This is really helpful if you're new to an exercise, or if you need a reminder on how to do it properly. Now, one of the best things about the app is that it makes working out fun. It does this by providing positive reinforcement and celebrating your successes. For example, after you complete a workout, the app will give you a score and show you how you did. It also sends you messages to encourage you to keep going. If you miss a workout, the app will remind you of your previous successes to motivate you to get back on track. Okay, now let's talk about what happened when I used the app for 30 days. Well, first off, I loved the convenience of it all. I could just open the app and start working out whenever and wherever I wanted. No need to drive to the gym or find childcare. I could do my workouts at home in my pajamas if I wanted to. That's exactly what I did. Now, even though the app is designed to be used with the Verve equipment, you don't need it to get results. The workouts can be done with just your body weight or with weights you have at home. Now, in terms of results, I was blown away by how much progress I made in just 30 days. The app's algorithm really works. It ramped up the difficulty of my workouts over time, which kept me from getting bored and plateaued. I felt myself getting stronger and more confident in my workouts, and the app celebrated my successes along the way, which kept me motivated. In fact, I haven't felt this motivated to work out in years. The app's approach to fitness is really refreshing. It's not about fad diets or extreme workout routines. It's about making gradual, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that lead to long-term success. In just 4 weeks, I managed to complete 14 workouts, which is more than I had in the entire year before that. My average exercise score went from 5 to 8, and I even became more flexible, which I never thought was possible because the app included stretching in my workout routine. To be honest, I was skeptical at first, but the results I achieved with the app are undeniable. I'm feeling stronger, healthier, and more confident than I have in a long time. And it's all thanks to the app. So if you're looking for a fun, effective, and convenient way to achieve your fitness goals, I highly recommend checking out the app. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or a beginner, the app has something to offer everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and check out my other content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.